We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, look at that, I'm wearing gloves. Woo! But today, we're going to be running some errands. It's a nice Sunday afternoon, or not afternoon yet, but it will be soon. And it's a nice morning, so I'm going to go ahead and get my errands done for the day. First stop is getting a haircut because my hair is super long and annoying and I need to get rid of that. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that first things first. And then right across the street from the haircut place is a grocery store. So I'm gonna get some groceries. I got my backpack here with me today. And I'll take you guys inside with me as well. And we'll go shopping together. And then we'll take the nice back roads home. So it'll be a nice, relaxing Sunday morning for you guys. And I hope you enjoy. So right now I'm getting the bike warmed up. I'm gonna wait for it to get the red line past 10,000. And then we're gonna go ahead and get going. Hope you guys are proud I remembered to wear my gloves today. And not that I'm a big sports guy, but apparently today is like the first official football or something. I don't know, Sunday or maybe it was Thursday. I'm not really sure, to be honest. I don't follow football too much. All I know is there's a goalpost involved and some kind of end zone. I'm kidding, of course. I know about football. I just don't know what day it starts. And being that I am sort of new to maintaining and working on motorcycles, I'm going to probably take this into the shop when they open on Tuesday or Wednesday to my dealership, because it's probably normal, but I just want to like kind of go over and make sure they go over with me what everything looks like in spec and like for normality, I guess. I don't know what the right word is. I'm just making sure that everything looks good, sounds good, feels good. So I want to make sure they do like an overall inspection to make sure everything is looking all right. Because I've noticed my chain is kind of like it has some wear on it on the bottom and top. From I guess maybe where it was rubbing against like I don't know what the right word is for I'll put a picture of it up, whatever that piece is. I wonder if it was rubbing up against that at some point and it may have like worn it down a little bit. It could be normal, I have no idea, but I want to make sure just before I don't want to ignore it. I want to make sure the bike sounds good. Like I want to make sure it like feels good to ride it idling or whatever. I want to make sure I treat this thing well. I want to make sure the alignment is right because I have no idea. I have tools to check the alignment, but the only issue with me checking it myself is I'll put a picture of this up too. I also have to go back to the dealership because there's this screw on the side of my, I think it's called the chain guard or something. I have to remove that screw to check the alignment, and it's stripped. I have no idea how it's stripped because I never touched it. So I don't know how that got stripped, but it is, so I have to somehow get that out and get a new screw in there. But that's how I check the alignment. So I'm going to have them try to check it out with their equipment and then also get that new screw for me. Skirt! Oh, pothole, that was almost bad. Watch the leaves change. I'm going to probably also be taking a vacation home in October, back up north to kind of have the whole fall experience back in the Northeast. Because down here it doesn't last as long, and it's also a little bit later in the year for fall, so I want to get the full experience. And plus I like Halloween, so I'm going to go home in October and for a vacation, and maybe I'll make a video out of that. And I guess it's only fitting if I ask you guys your favorite NFL team, right? Because today's like a good, like the first Sunday or whatever. So yeah, shout out to all those NFL teams. I could probably only name like 6. So post in the comments your favorite NFL team and how they're doing and what your predictions are for the big Super Bowl. I think my friend asked me what my favorite team was. I'm biased to say Eagles only because all my friends like the Eagles, but I think all of the locations aside, I think I picked the Ravens because the Ravens, like, the mascot's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go with the Ravens, I guess. I couldn't tell you a single player. Can't wait to get my haircut and look all spiffy. There's this meme I saw, it was funny, made me laugh. It was talking about how when guys get their haircuts, they always like to go out and do errands after they get their haircut, and one of the girls tweeted about it, and it was like, I'll put the meme, I can't remember what it said, but I'll put the meme up on the screen if I can find it in my photos. It was so funny. Alright, I'm about to pull into the parking lot. So I'm going to go in and get my hairs all cut, and I'll follow up with you guys afterward, and then we'll head into the grocery store and get that experience as well. Alright, just got done with my haircut, so I'm not even going to turn the bike on. I'm literally just going to push it to the store because the parking lot is right there. I'm basically already in it, so I'm just going to push this thing over to a spot that I see fit, and we'll go ahead inside. Alright, just got out of the shop, and now we're packing up. So I replaced the battery in my GoPro because it was low, so good thing I brought my handy dandy backup battery. So now we're going to load all this good stuff up here. First we'll load in the big stuff, so we'll do the yogurt and the elk. I'll put it in sideways so it doesn't get too crushed, and then load all the rest of the shit in here. All the good fall goodies. Can't wait to indulge in that. I'm a bit of a whore for the fall, if you can't tell. Alright, all that fits plenty easily. I have so much more room for everything else if I ever wanted to get something else. Time to put the cart back like a proper gentleman. Alright, get my key out of my pocket, because that's important. If I could find it. Time to cool off, I'm getting kind of hot. Gloves are a necessity though, as per my YouTube comments, as per me as well. Alright, let's get this bread. Put it into race mode, because why not? Back on the road again. I don't know the rest of the lyrics. Out on the road again. Nice and cool now that I have the wind blowing on me. Nature's AC. And I gotta get back before my food spoils in my bag, because it's hot out. Definitely enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have a lot of fun editing this, so I hope you have just as much fun watching it. Maybe you have it on for background noise, maybe you actually enjoy it. Maybe someone has a gun to your head telling you to watch it. Maybe you found this video somewhere. Maybe the algorithm kind of just gifted you with a blessing today on this Sunday. Or, I don't know, maybe you just like bikes and maybe you just found me and you actually enjoy this channel. And if you do, definitely let me know in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe. I don't check very often, but I probably should. My subscribers and stuff, so yeah. Thank you guys for everything that you leave on the comments and the views, and I am thankful and grateful for it all. And I will continue to pump out as much content as I can with all the things that I am able to do with this bike. Hopefully in the future I'll be doing track days, so look out for that. All I need to get is a race suit. I don't have a race suit yet, but as soon as I do, I'll be on the track with this thing when I have time off. And yeah, stick around for some more content in the future. I'm trying to upload once a week, like I said, so yeah, stay tuned for more videos and I'll see you in the next one. Killing Spider.